Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to categorize transactions in YNAB for mobile. All right. So first up, got to open up your account. And now as you can see, we have a transaction or the transaction button. So just got to tap on it. I got to select outflow or inflow. For example, outflow, $100. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and add in 100. There you go. Choose the payee. Just going to go and select Amazon right here. And this will be deducted under my wallet or savings, like so. Select the date. If it's cleared, tap on the slider right here, flag it, add in a memo if you want to, and then just hit on save. Okay, that's one. Now, if you already have a transaction, okay, just go ahead over to your accounts. Let's say my wallet right here. And as you can see, this right here has already been categorized, but if you want to edit it, just tap on it. Now select the category right here. Maybe change it to kids. Hit on save. That is it. That is how you categorize transactions here in YNAB. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.